Okay, this is a progression in A minor, where you're playing an A minor over G, and then you go to the F sharp, and to the F and to the E. So basically you're doing A, G, F sharp, F, E. And while you're playing that progression, you're doing some picking. So it's a 5-4-3-2, and then a 6-4-3-2. I'm going to go over these shapes: 6th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then an F and an E. And this is a great progression to use the A pentatonic, whether it's the one with, without the extension, as well as a natural minor in A minor. So I'm going to go over the natural minor first. Of course, we have the open one. And that starts on the 5th string, 2nd and 3rd frets, open 4th string, 2nd and 3rd frets with your 2nd and 3rd finger, and then open 3rd string, 2nd fret, open 2nd string, 1st fret, 3rd fret, open 1st string, 1st, 3rd, and 5th frets. But this one here is really cool too. It gives you some options. So you're starting on the 6th string, 5th fret, with your 1st, 3rd, and 4th fingers. So you're playing 1, 3, 4 on the 5th, 7th, and 8th frets. That's on the 6th and 5th strings. By the time that you're going to get up to the 4th string, you're playing the 5th and 7th frets with your 1st and 3rd fingers, and then you're going to reach to the 9th fret with your 4th finger. Try to alternate your picking. That's down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'm on the 3rd string, 5th and 7th frets with the 1st and 3rd finger. And then 2nd string, 1, 2, 4, 5th, 6th, and 8th frets. You can stop right there. Going backwards and then forwards. So the A minor, it's just a 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd strings. Keep your 2 fingers down. Put your 3rd finger right there, and that's the 6th string, 3rd fret, and your 4th finger is going to go on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and pick the 6th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd strings, and then then you're going to make that shape. Go from A minor to there to there. So your pinky's going to stay right there. And you're just really moving your 2nd and 3rd fingers, okay? So basically, if you have that A minor shape, 2nd finger is going to go on the 6th string, 2nd fret. 4th finger is over there on the 3rd string. 3rd fret, 2nd string, I'm sorry. And then an F. So essentially what I'm doing here is, there it is. Here's that. It's an A natural minor. This is the A natural minor scale right here. 5th, 7th, and 8th frets, 6th and 5th strings, then 5th, 7th, and 9th frets, between the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings. And I'm playing. See, if I want to start over here on the A, which is on the 7th fret, 4th string. I don't have to play that, no, if I don't want to. And then I'm going to play the 5th and 7th frets on the 3rd strings. On the 3rd string. That's the 7th fret and the 4th string. 2nd string is a 1, 2, 4, 5th, 6th, 6th, and 8th frets. That sounds familiar. I'm sure you've heard it before, but I'm not playing the I'm not playing that one, okay? I'm just giving you an idea of what you can do. You can play 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and then you can go back to those strings. It's a classic progression. It's an A to a G to an F sharp to an F to an E. If you want to use that pentatonic with the extension, remember that extension? 7th to 9th frets in A pentatonic or the blues scale. On the 3rd string, 7th to 9th frets, 8th and 10th. And you can mix it up with this natural minor scale. Practice the scale. If you've never done it before, just go back and forth with it. Then eventually you can just repeat some notes. See, I'm just playing 3 or 4 notes at a time. You have more options with a natural minor. Of course, the one on top is the blues scale or the pentatonic. A pentatonic or the blues. Penta meaning 5 notes, you're just using 5 notes. Here you're using 7 different notes. Okay, there's no sharps or flats in A minor. Just so many different options. And once you learn that one, you can learn the A minor scale in different positions. And you become very versatile and knowledgeable over the guitar neck. So if you just even wanted to go A minor, if these chords are a little bit too difficult right now, you can play an A minor to a G, F sharp minor, F, E. So now I'm going to be playing in the A natural minor, 5th, 7th, and 9th frets on that 4th string. From there I could go right into the extension and the pentatonic. You can learn to alternate these two, use them accordingly. Easy that is. A minor to a G, all I'm doing here is strumming. When I get to the G, the F sharp, and the F, just the bottom 2 strings, the 6th and 5th strings. Then I can strum all 6 strings on the E, or give it a 7th. So, you know, hope you get something out of it. If you want to do more of the open 5th string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret on that 5th string. Same thing on the 4th string. More notes there. If you never played the scale before, I suggest that you play the 1, 4, 5th and 8th frets, 1, 3 on 5th and 7th frets. That would be 1, 4 on the 6th string, 1, 3 on the 5th and 4th strings, as well as the 3rd string. And by the time you get to the 2nd string, you're on the 5th and 8th frets, using your 1st and 4th fingers. memorize that pattern. This pattern right here, because once you memorize the pattern, you can go to the 11 other keys. All right, well, I hope this was beneficial. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Keep playing and have fun.